Hello everyone, and we're back to Teach Talk. Simplified, I'm your host, Clyde Dulugmanding, and today we're talking about a very important topic, cyberbullying. We explored how it's connected to ICT, or information and communication technology, and why it matters to all of us.
It starts with the basic. ICT has changed the way we communicate, from social media up to online gaming, and, and from video calls to instant messaging. We can now connect with people anytime, anywhere. That's the beauty of ICT. It's, it, it bridges distance and gives us endless opportunity. But just like any powerful tool, ICT has a darker side. One of the biggest problems it was through the was in cyberbullying. Unlike traditional bullying that happens face to face, cyberbullying happens online through posts, through text, comments, or even memes means to hurt or embarrass someone. And because ICT makes communication so fast and far-reaching, the impact of cyberbullying can spread widely in just a matter of a second.
So, how exactly does ICT connect to cyberbullying? Think about the platform we use every day: social media, messaging app, online forum. They are all product of ICT. These platforms gives us freedom of expression. But unfortunately, some people misuse them to spread hate, harass others, or invade someone's privacy. The effect are serious. Victims of cyberbullying often feels anxious, isolated, or depressed. And unlike traditional bullying, there's often no safe space to escape to because our phones and devices are always with us. That's why cyberbullying can feel relentless.
But hear the good news, ICT can also be part of the solution. The same technology that spread hurtful message can also spread kindness, awareness, and support. School communities and organization now use ICT tools to teach digital responsibility. There are also reporting system on most social media platforms that also use to block, report, uh, and project themselves from online harassment. And here where digital literacy now is knowing how to use ICT responsibility, thinking before we post, respecting others online, and keeping our account secure can help reduce cyberbullying. Each of us the power to make the digital world a safer and more positive place.
So to wrap it up, ICT has given us incredible opportunities to connect, but it has also given rise to new challenges like cyberbullying. The key is not to fear ICT, but to use it wisely. Let's remember, behind every screen is a real person with real feelings. Thank you for tuning in Teach Talk. Simplified, I'm your host, Clyde Dulugmanding, reminding you, use ICT not to tear others down, but to lift each other up. Thank you.